Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Incorporating wooden furniture into your home creates a harmonious balance between aesthetics and functionality. From handcrafted dining tables to minimalist coffee tables, wood pieces serve as focal points that elevate your interior design. Pairing wood with metal accents or glass surfaces adds a contemporary touch, while maintaining the organic charm. Additionally, wooden shelving units and storage solutions not only provide practicality but also add visual interest. At Sari 11, we highlight innovative craftsmanship that emphasizes sustainability and quality, encouraging you to choose pieces that are both eco-friendly and stylish. Your space deserves furniture that lasts generations. Decorative wooden accents can dramatically change the ambience of any room. Think carved wooden wall art, intricate picture frames, or decorative bowls that showcase the natural patterns of the wood. These small but impactful pieces add texture and personality to your decor. For a rustic charm, opt for reclaimed wood accessories that tell a story of sustainability and craftsmanship. Alternatively, smooth, polished wooden sculptures can serve as modern art. By mixing different wood tones and finishes, you create depth and visual interest. Our Inspiration Hub offers countless ideas to incorporate wooden accents seamlessly into your interior design. Lighting plays a crucial role in highlighting wooden furniture and decor. Wooden pendant lights, chandeliers, and lamps add warmth and a cozy glow to your space. The natural texture of wood, combined with warm lighting, creates an inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Moreover, choosing handcrafted wooden light fixtures adds a unique, artisanal touch that elevates your decor. At Sari 11, we emphasize the importance of lighting in showcasing the beauty of wood elements. Proper illumination enhances the grain and details of each piece, making your wooden decor stand out and creating memorable, inviting environments. Custom-made wooden furniture is gaining popularity for its personalized appeal. Designing your own pieces ensures they fit perfectly within your space and reflect your style. Whether it's a bespoke bed frame, a custom bookshelf, or an entertainment unit, craftsmanship and attention to detail matter. Handmade furniture not only offers uniqueness but also supports local artisans and sustainable practices. Maintaining and caring for wooden decor is essential to preserve its beauty and longevity. Regular dusting, gentle cleaning, and occasional polishing keep wood looking vibrant. Avoiding excessive moisture prevents warping and damage, while using protective finishes can enhance durability. At Sari 11, we share tips on choosing eco-friendly cleaning products and proper maintenance routines. Restoration and refinishing are also options for older or worn pieces, giving them new life. Proper care transforms ordinary wood furniture into heirloom pieces that can be cherished for generations, maintaining their charm and value over time. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.